on my wire line. Dark as trouble in this heart of mine. Oh, little blackbird, open your mouth and sing. So lonesome. Oh, that's a different. What's the blackbird say? Well, so lonesome, just about floating away. So long now I've been out in the rain and snow. The winter's come and gone, a little bird told me so. One more time. So long now I've been out in the rain and snow. The winter's come and gone, a little bird told me so.
It's a great day to come down to Lori's farm. This is the Dobson farm. This is where Occupy Summer Camp's going to be. It's happening June 22nd to the 24th. And I think Lori's going to come out in a couple minutes and we're just going to chat a little bit because there are so many plans going on with this camp. There's talk of teach-ins and music and camp songs and just a whole lot of community events. So it'll be exciting to hear about it and just to enjoy the weather today.
Well, hello.
Hello. Good to see you.
Glad you guys could come.
Thank you. Glad you could have us.
All right.
You want to sit?
Yeah, you want to sit? Go.
I normally just sit in a tree, but you know.
I saw that. Put yourself right at home.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're very friendly climbing trees. So where were we last time? Do you remember? About things.
We were talking. You mentioned something to me about this barn being a creamery over here.
Yeah, the 1780s house, and then they had a 200 cow dairy farm here. So there's a lot of acres that were open and it's grown in. But there's about 3 here that's part of this property here. So we called it the Dobson Farm. My husband loved it and just put a lot of heart into it. He died 2 years ago. Today. So I'm just really happy that people can come in, and he would love this. The spirit of revolution and change and reform was all about what he was about. And we did a lot of, rabble-rousing together. There's great places here. You can go around and have a private zone. You can have a public zone. So I'm looking forward to having it be a camp where we have some scheduled events that we've talked about, and then others that we could even talk about at camp, and make time for that, because we've got 2 days, the 22nd, the Friday, people come in the afternoon, Saturday and Sunday, and then there are some people there'll be a whole bunch of people coming in from the Occupy Caravan here, from other cities, where they are now going to be coming through Maine on the 25th, and meeting us here, and that'll be bringing a lot of energy and theater and fun things happening here. So some people can stay on for that day, the 25th and the 26th.
Yeah, Alan was actually talking about the caravan earlier because he's getting the van ready to go down to Philly.
Yeah, a lot of us are really excited about that, and I think this is a perfect place to get a sense of what we want to accomplish there.